A tier for a high African history and heritage TV. You're watching Mama Kwaba, the African history and heritage TV. So, and there's also Muslim for historian Dr. Kujajimai, Mena Sabri Matrasi, na Senia Munimino, Betra Mokunyam Sedia, na Munim se. Abako sema muete abako sema yede chichiri mind abako sema yede patantokwa ena mede bremo enti bia ena drobo nkunwa semi ebeje ntre ha ewo abefo kasafidie ntentenso wo brekwa yen na okonchire dom se chia konto so mienu oto na num tuo se wo butu ohima ne atrankonwa bebre binom akonwa we esha trankunya no so ahroba ma wonom koto wo manum tuo so okochire dom anye bia onye hene amamre ne amane kwanso aye faso si ohene no yenyansi ohene wi enti okura wona hwan no wakase wachia ana wabuti na ahema akonwa ene atrankunya bi no
as at the end of November 30th no okochire dom ceases to be the Almighty of God. Yeah, recognize it. Yeah. The next one will come. Okabun from if he said, Obedia Kunyamumza, a Pakai, a severe, whatever that. On to me to him, on to me see him. If he said, Yan find a two step with the two things. Only drop my him over 34 years. To graduate to watch a ground. No, I say my Latino. What do you want? I said, no, no,
Asemi beye daja ewa befo kasafidie ntentenso ema yede ani edi akire de ho amane ne kasebo ebebo atiefo na yeda so edi drogbo nkunwasem no achi na sabre ya metehai African History and Heritage TV yensa kakrata bi efiri atrankunwa drobo nananom atrankunwa nchen a esese yede to yetiefo nyina anim na sede amunim no asi ahenefo yi atabri asem no edeko Bono Regional House of Chiefs Judicial Committee anim na wonom kwadu ne se anye bia Judicial Committee enhwehwe kwadunum na se fata omowawo na wontu okonchire dom setiako auto so mienu infra kunwa no so okonchire dom so ede ni muayaba ni ya friend response no bo bi kwadu a eso responde ochira nyam ya adoma e ba be kinkan okonchire dom ne response no ede ato kasafidie so ma atiefo ne ahwefo nyina motie na yenya maaye no ene krata yensa kano ye krata bi a ano ehye eno nti no ye de no betom from answer na krata ya mekan eye drobo nananom atrankonwa aduonu nsia ena wonom ensa hye krata yase enti atiefo Bobia wobia monyebre na momra African History and Heritage TV yefidikasi so na mumetie na yede bramo anopai also Office of the Paramount Queen Mother Drobo Traditional Council Nana Yel Nsua Drobo Bono Region Ghana telephone 0023324300454 date 16th February 2026. Dear Sir or Madam, press statement by Drobo Traditional Council members, Queen Mothers and sub-chiefs of Drobo Traditional Area. Attached is a communique for your attention and information. Thank you. Signed by Nana Yansua, the Paramount Queen Mother, Drobo Traditional Area. Copies to Honorable Bono Regional Minister, Bono Regional Coordinating Council, Sunyani. 2. The Regional Police Commander, Bono Region. 3. The Divisional Police Commander, Burekum. 4. Honorable Municipal Chief Executive, German South, Drobo. The Member of Parliament, German South. Atipo na de ne wo sakrata wo communique a na Drobo hema ye na yansu a odi ahemfo na nim e de na wo atipo monye brain na muntie. Drobo Traditional Area press statement by Drobo Traditional Council members, Queen Mothers and the sub-chiefs of Drobo Traditional Area, issued by the lawful kingmakers of the Drobo Paramounts 2, the divisional Queen Mothers, the sub-divisional chiefs, and principal elders of the Drobo Traditional Area. Background. The attention of the general public, traditional authorities, and relevant state institutions is respectfully drawn to the ongoing disturbment proceedings pending before the Honorable Judicial Committee of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs, Sunyani, between the lawful kingmakers of the Drobo Paramounts 2 and Okonchiredom Sechiako. The second, the petitioners retreat that the matter remains sub judice and affirm their unwavering respect for the rule of law, due process, and the authority of the Honorable Judicial Committee, before which all issues concerning the Drobo Paramounts 2 properly lie. Na nanum atrankumya ene kasai onum se ewom se o makosaman anase omo ede Okonchiredom Sechiako a otosu mienu agina mrano ewo Bono Regional House of Chiefs Judicial Committee nanim na omde mra be yaduma omomfa mra eche omonsam de biarada na emfa ho se onum de omo asem akodan Judicial Committee of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs no. Omda su jina mamre no na nunti ena wonum edisa man boy ever. Customary impasse and governance breakdown. Amamre no ne Drobo amambu no ajija pra na yentie kwambe so ne fa su jije. Under settled Drobo customary law, the authority of an Omanhene flows exclusively from a valid and consummated instrument performed strictly in accordance with custom. Drobo man amamre chese Omanhene yebedwa tu mapano jise na yedwa fa amamre a ewo akunwa no nyina mu awi. As has been extensively pleaded before the Honorable Judicial Committee, the respondent's purported instrument was never consummated, owing principally to the non-performance of the final funeral rites of his predecessor and the failure to undergo the secret midnight installation on the black stool. One se Okonchiredom Sechiako. Akumya na odie no ohene no ayede ne sie no ewieye efise nana no obedi na de no eye beye man bosia ginantwije the fourth onye na yie ntino abusua no entimi mfa ne tunkosi akonwa bere no so enka se oye man. By reason of these unresolved customary breaches, the respondent has become customarily incapable of effectively performing the full functions of an Omanhene, and the legitimacy of its authority remains fundamentally contested. Thus, the Drobo Traditional Council has been plunged into an unprecedented crisis of confidence. The Ananum Echene said, Esansa amamri ya okochiridom wabuso na waya son brachie ewa amamre no huntino ama Drobo Traditional Council no se na dwumayem no ayeden na eno ama nananum atrankunya sha womde were ehye okochiridom sechi akomu no se say de oma pana bakra enya sakutua. Effects on the Traditional Council. Nia opache ni se aba pam isan amamre ni amamni a okochiridom sechi akọ yemfa no mfo mu nwiye na ono so sabiu kafrache waye asombrache se amamre onye no ntino edin simsanfo obi aba Drobo Traditional Council no so na se Drobo Traditional Area no so na nsunsanso a edi aba eni didi so. Or say the Drobo Traditional Council is composed of approximately 26 members. At present, not less than 23 members, all the divisional queen mothers and principal elders have formally disassociated themselves from meetings purportedly convened by the respondent on account of the unresolved customary issues surrounding his status. The Awachani said, Drobo nananwa trankunya, ahemfo no eni ahemafo nyina ekosi adununsia. Na sa adununsia so okochiridom sechi akon esanse onya amamre wa kunwa ho ntino na nananwa trankunya boniti dom so besuro se bekodi na chisa anwa eti amamre ntino ebia nananom be frɛ omo wonsie do ehu aka wono ntino safoi obia ni ho a okochiridom sechi akon ofrɛ womo meeting wonom eko efi se omo hu se yemfa na to ensi akonwa no so enti yemfa na to nsi akonwa no so na oye ne ho se oye hene dia ebeye no me ediama obia ono no ebehwiabu. These have resulted in persistent failure to attain quorum due to non-attendance and withdrawal of recognition. In practical terms, the respondent is, by reason of loss of quorum and effective participation, unable to convene valid meetings of the Traditional Council within the meaning of Section 15 of the Chieftaincy Act, Act 759/2008. This situation has arisen through no fault of the petitioners, but as a direct consequence of the unresolved customary violations and the attendant loss of confidence within the Traditional Council. Or say, Niakowi answer, Drobo Traditional Council no, or Kochiridom sechi akon, every meeting a wonum enkontino, broni fre bibi koru. Ni padodo a ese behia ewa mamre ne mmara kwanso a betimi meeting no. Enya de a Okochiridom every meeting a unya sa number no. Na esanse unya sa number no ntino. Na etia Chieftaincy Act Section 15 no Our Chieftaincy Act 759 ye passed in 2008 no. Etia se mo nya number no ye friend quorum no. Drobos Traditional Council no intimi nye meeting. Atankomya nyina so eye aduonusia emu aduonu mienso apawo omanhene na ba ofre meeting on munkuyi intina chese mrakwa mu no okase oyi meeting na odiafa droboman ho adwea enyeyi necessity to prevent traditional meltdown osile hu behia se amamre ne amane kwan a eda droboman no ho se esenti no hu behia se yabo ho bai. The kingmakers, divisional chiefs, sub-divisional chiefs, divisional queen mothers, principal elders, and traditional stakeholders are duty bound under custom to preserve peace, order, and stability within the Trobo traditional area. Osi, namammo trankomya nyina wana sedie se ombebo asomdue ho ban e Trobo traditional area. They cannot, in good conscience, perpetuate breaches of settled custom, endorse the exercise of authority founded on an unconsummated instrument, or allow the total collapse of the traditional administration while awaiting judicial determination. Ose, na nanammo trankomya wodrobo mamu ekuso twen se bono Regional House of Chiefs Judicial Committee no edi na temu ebeba no enya de ombit matena ho ama droboman so abo interim customary arrangements na nesenti sa niemo a edi disue na nananom edi ato akwam na momientie. Accordingly, and purely as a temporarily preventive and peace preserving measure, the following is hereby made known. 1. The pending of the final determination of the petition before the Honorable Judicial Committee, the respondent has, by reason of unresolved customary breaches and overwhelming withdrawal of recognition by the Traditional Council, become incapable of effectively performing the functions of Omanhene. Ose, na esanso kochiridom sitiako amamre wa konwa no ho onye nwiye na yenye no ntumu nwiye so Omanhene tino enya de a otim eye adwuma te se Omanhene. 2. That in line with section 15 clause 3 of the Chieftaincy Act and settled customary practice, Traditional Council meeting necessary for peace, administration, and avoidance of disputes may, where strictly necessary, be convened and presided over by the next most senior available chief, that is Adontenhene, acting solely to prevent a governance vacuum within the traditional area. Near Ochan said, na ohwe amamra no Chieftaincy Act section 15 efa etoso miensa efre clause 3 ni mu a hu behia se Traditional Council bia no ebe ye nhyiamu na waba asomdue ho eban na so mbebo asomdue ho ban de a na chese esese wono munya obi a obetena dwam na amamre ne amane kwanso no so Omanhene eni ho so obetena dwam a ohena oto ano a oye the most senior chief a oto ano no one Adontenhene. 3. That this interim arrangement does not amount to destitutement, does not preempt the decision of the Honorable Judicial Committee, and does not in any manner usurp judicial authority. Nananum trese nema abede tutu akwami enya de se bono Regional House of Chief Judicial Committee no yebu na nimtia na eno soso enkyere se de mra ahye omonsem se omotu okochire dom setiako a otosumino afri akonwa no so. 4. The kingmakers, divisional chiefs, sub-divisional chiefs, divisional queen mothers, principal elders, and traditional stakeholders reaffirm total submission to rule of law and their readiness to comply fully with the eventual decision of the Honorable Judicial Committee. Or say, na traditional council, na namwa atrankumya nyina shep wose wonum ebe koso dimraso na feso so no aginaye bia Bono Regional House of Chiefs Judicial Committee ebesi efa asemwa de akoda wonum efa okodjere dom setiako wonum ebeje atu assurance to the public na wonum ekawe ema drobo mayene Ghana for ni wiase for nyina at. This statement is issued in good faith in the supreme interest of Drobo and solely to avert chaos, conflict, and institutional collapse within the traditional area. Also, sa amaniye ya bedia tudwei omde tubia ewo pepam ene Drobo mighty sebeyo na basmasaye ene niema emfata ensi wo Drobo man na enoso emma Drobo man no enkobo. The kingmakers, divisional chiefs and sub-divisional chiefs, divisional queen mothers, principal elders, and traditional stakeholders remain firmly committed to peace, respect for custom, obedience to lawful authority, and the preservation of the dignity of the Drobo traditional stew. Ose na matrankumya eye ahenene ahemafo nyina shebose ebema asundwe mapa akoso ewo Drobo man na emu amamre animtiada na so na Ghana amambra efa na nanom ahini hono enya de a onom bebu na nintia na wonom so ebebo Drobo akonwa kese no ehompai. Copies to Bono Regional Minister eno de makanwi na nanoma etwe sakrata yi anase bedebensa ehye sakrata yi ase ena mebebobo wonom din 1 nana amo yebo asuya ma jase hene nana kodu nyakon diabo adonten hene odunja osea kuto chidom hene nana kufia jejedu nifa hene nana tachia biam ankobia hene nana antwibia buasia kon achiame hene nana korantin afori abakuma hene nana kofintia were atipim hene nana kokutachi banim hene nana kwame bosia sana hene nana bodu yeboa sompa hene nana fowa kunti hima nana amafowa kunti hima nana abnatamia jase hima nana manyakon adontin hima nana abna yeboa abrofo hima nana amachirema nifa hima nana akusuya numbenkum hima nana bodu kachiri atipem hima nana akuya feka abakuma hima nana akuya bema abontindom hima nana ya mua achempem hima nana akuya tachua apaja hima nana ama yeboa chidom hima nana akuya kwabia pinanko hima chiame ajei oman chiame ena nana Dr. Apia Kubi aduana hene odofo subscribe na share nama adofo nkaye enti kase boybi eye nananom mako aduonu nsia awonom eye Drobo man nananom atrankunya ene de sa mane boyi atom from na ye beto akoso adi akire ne tofabo ne se isan se bempese droboman bontino wonom ede nhihye atoto akwa mu se ya kosaman drobo hina okonchire dom se ti akonto so mienu ahemafo ne nananom ahemfo obi ampese musuo bi ebesoe no ntino okonchire dom efre meeting a yese yenko efise yemfa otunsi akundwa so enti yetete meetings ase kra na wanhia na no mi bi akokan enti benko na besu bentimi transema drobo man no emonti no ba tutu bentakra de akɔhye adonten hene se oman hene eni ho a sese ne etese ne a oman hene ni ho efise ye nya amamre ne amane a efatamfo ne tunsi akunwa no so kwakwa ehye na nmunyam so oyo man hene enye ne ntumi na beguso abetwen saade no eni gira ya abono regional house of chiefs ebisi no bentimi entra ho madrobo man no emmo ne santino o ma paw adonten hene se ono ene ye the next in commander obisi o man hene no ananim na wotimi afre drobo na nanom atrankuwa meeting ene wonom afa drobo man ho adwen se beyo na basbasa ye kuka emma drobo man mu na se beyo na drobo man no so nyede emmo odofo subscribe na share nama atifon kai inti kasebo yi mede kasebo no abowiye yedamase yemamo emoniti adehye